You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, so what it is today, man, actually it's the same day. Actually, we're going to rotate this video because I'm not going to be able to finish it all today. As y'all seen, as the video before, that I did the map sensor on the Jag. Well, this is the same day, later on today. So now today I got a 2019 Chevy Blazer. We got to put a tow hitch on it. The vehicle didn't come with a tow hitch. We're going to go ahead and put one on there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to spin the camera around, man, let y'all check it out and see on everything they got to do to remove the bumper. Make sure y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe to the video, and let's get it. All right, y'all can see, man, we got a 2018 Chevy Blazer. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, Chevy Blazer. You know what I'm saying? I done did brakes on this. I done did all type of stuff to this truck. Headlight. I got a video about this, how to change the headlight, how to change it real quick on these 2018 through 20 Chevy Blazer. I got videos on show you the quick way on how to change the headlight. Also, so today, we got to get this bumper off of here. We got to get this bumper off of here so we can put the tow hitch on. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the truck is locked, but no, actually it's unlocked. We're going to get this up out of here too. So I got to put the tow hitch on. I'm go ahead and do the and you have 3, you have 1, and you have 3-in-1 on the other side. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, it's loose. You know what I'm saying? The only thing is going to be holding it so far right now is the tail light and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. You know what I'm saying? And y'all can see day 2. I don't know if I'm gonna close out this video the way it is. It'll probably give you guys a day 2, but day 2 is removing the tail light and everything and getting behind there so I can get to the bolts in here and get everything taken out. You know what I'm saying? So we can get this on there so the customer can do whatever they're gonna do with their tow hitch. You know what I'm saying? And also, this can come back up, man. Don't ever do this to your leather seats, guys. Don't do that. You see that crease right there? This one over there. And you're gonna see this, because one day you're gonna want your truck to look nice, and you want, oh, I didn't threw stuff on my seat. You had a whole floor to put it on, but it's all good, man. Hopefully that'll come up. You know what I'm saying? But that's what we on. That's what we gonna do, man. We're gonna get to that. All right, y'all, it's the same night. Just got a little bit more light. You know what I'm saying? I had to make my own light. Sometimes you got to make the light shine on you. So I also found out something else too. I also found out I didn't have to remove nothing in the inside, guys. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm gonna let you guys see what I did and what I had to take off. I got the whole bumper off. Now it's like the moment of truth to see if this is the correct tow hitch. You know what I'm saying? This is the second one for this vehicle that I have been trying to put on myself. The first one was wrong. Hopefully this one, you know what I'm saying? This one is it. But let me spin this camera around. I'm gonna walk y'all through. You already seen what I had unbolted, and I'm gonna show y'all the rest that I had to do to get the bumper off. Yes, sir. So we have to remove these. Hope you guys can see. Let me get out your way. These are the bumper. We're gonna sit these over here so we make sure we don't get these mixed up. This is also part of the bumper structure also. We're going to completely remove it. And let's see now. We should have some action, I believe. Okay, so you guys see? So all you have to do is remove one side. No, that's hey, wrong, Leroy. Wrong fly. I was just making sure y'all was paying attention. And we still gotta remove the other side. So we gotta remove both sides. This is fun, right? You know what they say, you never know what you're gonna get. Never know. Never know what you're gonna get. That's why you go pick up your car and be like, why is the price so high? Because you never know what you're gonna get. Moving. Okay, let's see what we got now. We should have action now, guys. Let's go slower. Okay, so that goes like that, right? So the crazy part is so I mean these need to go under, so we're going to test fit this one. So So guys, we're going to be doing some trimming so we can get this to work. So let me do some customizing, guys, and we'll be right back to it. Y'all see it right there? So I cut it and grinded it down there, so this sits in between there, because if these two parts are not on here, the bumper is going to be flabby and it's not going to line up. All the holes both lined up and everything. So now I have to do this one. I got to take all these clips off real quick and measure this one and see how far I got to grind in. So I'm not sure on this side if I got to have to over here or it should be over here. But y'all stay tuned. I'm going to figure it out and then I'll let y'all know. All right, y'all, look like we knocking them out. So I got both sides cut and trimmed. I went ahead and skipped the process. I didn't show you guys the other side of the trim and everything that I did. I got everything all back together. I got the bumper hitch on, the toe hitch on. Also got the bumper reinforcement on. Everything's bolted up. Everything's all crimped back like it was from the factory. I'm gonna spin the camera around. Now, only thing I gotta do now is put the bumper back. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and let's get it, man. Let me spin this camera around, y'all can check it out. Yes, sir, customized. Y'all see it? So you see what I had to trim there on that side? You got the rear bumper reinforcement on. We also have the toe hitch on. We also have everything nice and tucked in, secured. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna have to use that one. So we have everything all tight and secured. You see that? Also the muffler's back on top. This right here goes to the rear bumper sensors. Y'all see that everything is nicely secured. I'm gonna torque it down and then I'm gonna put the rear bumper on and we're gonna get it, man. Y'all stay tuned, and next time y'all might see me is I'm putting the bumper on and maybe the customer's driving off. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nana's Cakes. When they pull up, man, I'm gonna let y'all check them out, man. Y'all check out Nana's Cakes. Hopefully I can get some cakes, you know what I'm saying, when they pull up, man, because I went through a situation over here, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. And like I said, man, we are a master of our abilities. So as you can see, got the bumper all back together, got the toe hitch cover on there with the toe hitch underneath it. Shout out to my man Trap House Booming TV, man. It was a gift that he gave to me last summer, man, and I was looking for it, and just so happened I found it, because that's what I had to use to trim all this to get this right. But y'all see everything is all back together and secure, man. And just like my Uncle Catfish, and just like that, this video is over with.